know.
This has to be the last level. I swear to God, this is the last level. It's gonna be awesome. This is gonna be like the shortest episode we've ever done for the GamerBros show.
If not,
It's not.
are you serious?
Dude, that would have been awesome. It would have been a 30-second video. We could have done this into a Vine. Wait, Vines have to be like 8 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Brandon, you're near shit. Okay, then I'll let you just get all the hearts.
I was just getting shit. I didn't know what to get and whatnot. Okay, hopefully this is the last level. God dang it. Where's the last sheep at? Where are these sheeps at? Go away! Navigate us to the sheep, please. Please navigate us. We need it.
Alright, I don't need those hearts over there.
Alright, go. Go in. Get in through the door. Oh my god! This is the longest level ever! This is like defending the paradise. God almighty.
Jesus Christ, Brandon, watch your health, please.
Please! Get your help today. Game? Long ass game. I'm saving all the damn sheep. I will enter you with my flamethrower. I'll put that flamethrower up your anus and burn your shit.
Oh my god!
I will burn your farts. Still, why am I laughing? When people act,
Brandon, you're kind of low up on
I
health.
know I am.
Oh.
That's cool. How?
Do you want that gun?
Dude.
Do you want that gun?
I want to put this flamethrower up people's anus.
Oh, you just switched guns.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Get away, get away, get away. Get away, 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 get away,
Get away, get away, get away, get away. Get away from Brandon. Get away from you. Brandon, if anything, just stand in the fucking corner or something.
Oh, I can't. Oh my god, it's damn! It can't be. Hearts. Oh, no, no, no. You
No.
better gun than the zappity zoopity.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Oh, this is where we die. This is where we lose.
No, it's not. No, it's not. If you die, it's gonna be embarrassing.
All right, Brandon, just go get the hearts. I don't want to touch anything until.
Get the sheep. Get the sheep. You gotta be shitting me!
In the ass.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This is an easy level. Here. Let me.
Dude, I'm about dead inside.
Here. Come over here, cause I have like 2 hearts down here.
I got 3. There's 3. Oh, I got it!
Oh, no!
No, not for me, Samus. Oh my god! What? Where did these sheep got into? The mod?
They got into the mafia.
The farm didn't want them.
All right.
God dang. Oh my god, you gotta be joking me. Seriously. Oh my god! Are we about to make a whole 2 episodes of saving sheep? I swear to God, if we make a 2 whole episode of shaving freaking gosh darn sheep, what the heck?
Brandon.
You're getting effed in the corner. Get it.
Okay, go.
Go. This has to be the last damn door. You better tell me mission got complete. I swear to God, if I die right here, I'm gonna cry. I am specifically you guys are gonna see me cry.
Get that. Oh my god!
Oh I'm about to cry.
Brandon, if you unpause this, don't you dare move a centimeter. Like, don't you dare move at all. Like, don't move at all. Okay. Oh, Brandon.
I'm about to cry. And when somebody asks me why I'm crying, because of Kitten Squad. Please let him win!
Brandon, come here. Oh, go long way around. Go long way around. Go long way around. Or don't.
Oh, shit. Please level. In. God. Why is this so long? Oh my God! More doors! What is this, Door Explorer?
The door simulator.
No! Not the door! That movie was awful! Easily you're telling me
I'm gonna get fucked. I'm gonna get fucked. I'm trying not to get fucked, but I'm getting fucked.
Just stop. Get the hearts.
I'm trying, Brandon. But if you haven't realized from now, I'm getting fucked.
Just get all the hearts. Alright, we're good.
Okay, you're actually
we're fully
quite lower.
staffed.
This actually has to be it.
It did say that. I swear to God. Oh my God.
I'm gonna find Ben and I'm gonna punch him.
I'm gonna find a sheep. I will kick it. I'm not an animal abuser, but I swear to God.
Oh my God!
Oh! Where's the sheep at?
Closest farms. Brandon, what are you looking up? Are you actually gonna look it up?
Closest. What? Okay. Closest farms. Closest farms. One in Dallas.
Really?
2 in Dallas. 1 in Stanley. Okay. We gotta go to that one. Hello, sir. How you doing? Where's your damn sheep at? What do you want a sheep for? I gotta kick one.
Oh my God!
I don't kick sheep.
Alright, Brandon, if there's any hearts
I
I need
am not an
Brandon,
animal abuser.
Alright, no, mind. You get that and then I'll get this one. Alright.
Oh my! Does sheep have balls? You know what? I'm gonna kick Ben in the balls for this. Just kick Ben right in the nuts and say this is because of Kitten Squad and the other stuff that we're not gonna say on the internet. Because if we did, you guys would be very upset with us, or be very upset with Ben.
All right, Brandon, just get all the hearts. Just get all the hearts. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Oh my God!
Let go kill this thing.
Oh my God! Just take.
Right,
I'll
go.
take the freaking guy. Oh, you took the freaking gosh darn heart. Please go, sheep. Are you done? That door just opened. Oh my God! Oh, yeah. Closest farms. There's like 3 close to me. Maybe if they have sheep.
Huh?
That's what I'm thinking about.
Brandon, move. You're like up his ass.
I know. I'm putting these balls up his anus and make sure he blows up. You know what? This episode, you know what this is? This is Michael Bay's. This is what Michael Bay does. He never stops making shitty movies. This is how it is. Michael Bay movies.
Oh my God! How long is this? Like actually, like how long?
I don't know, but we're about to have to make another damn episode.
Brandon, you're gonna have to get some hearts.
Give me a sec. I gotta sneeze.
Damn it! I just took another heart of yours. Break over here and take this heart. I swear to God, if you would have actually done that.
Oh my God! Oh! Watch out for the fans! Watch out for the fans! Watch out for the fans! Watch out! Watch out! Please be it! Please be it! Just hope it!
Alright. Do not move because I unpaused us.
Rachel!
We're almost done.
Rachel!
We're almost done. I have a feeling.
I wish this was like saving Rachel.
I needed hearts.
What the hell? Oh my God, there's no sheep. Where are the sheep at?
Wait, don't go.
Who has took the sheep?
Alright, go. Brandon, you need help.
Oh my God. You know what I need? The fucking mission to be over with.
Alright, just come on.
Is there any sheep in here? Oh my God. Flame on. Eat my flames. Honey, you get on my nerves.
Brandon, watch yourself. Get this heart over here.
I gotta go around.
Yeah. And then you're gonna get that heart. Get that heart. Oh, I thought you...
This ain't it.
Shut up. Maybe.
Maybe if I say it's not it, maybe it is. I'm in the middle of this.
I am too. Brandon, I need you hard. Brandon, I need you. I
can't get to you.
Oh, fucking try. Oh, Brandon, I need hearts. Do not pick up a single fucking heart.
Oh, Luke, I can't help it. I have to get really up close to hit them. Get all the damn hearts. Get all the hearts.
Well, it'd be better if you did not juice me to where I could fucking get...
I juice you. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Brandon.
Oh my God. Stand right.
I still need hearts.
Stand near the corner. I'll kill them all. You just avoid. Avoid anybody. Avoid. Now get the hearts. Get the hearts. Here we go.
Okay.
We're fully fucking stacked.
Oh, I thought you went through those blades and you got fucked in the anus.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop it hitting me, Brandon!
This gun,
right, go.
This gun hurts all of us. Change guns. I'm with the worst gun ever. In this worst position ever. I'm in the worst gun. I hate this gun. I really do. This gun sucks. I need a different gun.
Brandon, watch yourself.
I need another gun. Please give me another gun.
No, don't need another gun. You got
I got the same dang gun. Hopefully this is the last level because I mean, God, if it's not, dude, we're gonna have to get new guns. Cause this gun sucks. I got a carrot gun. I got another gun.
I got a fucking flamethrower.
Good. It's better than this gun.
Oh.
It's not over. Alright. I think next episode.
See you in the next episode, guys.
Bye.